Hey guys, how's it going? So with all of the county fairs going on right now, I thought this would be a good time to show you guys how to draw a tractor. So to draw a tractor, they come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So I'm just going to show you guys how to draw a basic one. So first thing, let's begin with the tires. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a nice big circle for the first tire. And then I'm going to draw another larger circle around it. So it kind of looks like a donut. Then in front here, I want to kind of line it up with the bottom, and I'm going to start by drawing a small circle like this, and then I'm just going to make a bigger one around it like this. And these are not perfect circles by any means. This one's pretty bad, but they're going to get covered up anyway, so no worrying about being perfect. So to start off, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across like this. And I'm going to kind of line this up and bring it out front. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and over. And then I'm just going to continue it over here. Now for the front of the tractor, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then it's going to come over at an angle. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then we're going to go straight across. And then go down. We're going to leave a little bit of space before we go all the way down. Now, right here, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around. And then I'm going to kind of curve this back like this. So it's kind of like a long, skinny oval. Then on the top of here, I'm going to draw two lines at the end. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down. Now for the windows. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down and then goes over. Then I'm going to curve it, then go up, and then just connect them at the top. Then right here, I'm just going to go down and then over. I'm going to go across and then just connect these. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over, down, and then over again. Then I'm just going to draw a few lines like this. Then up here for the little like smokestack, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down, kind of like a rectangle. Then I'm going to draw a line that just goes straight up, over, and then down. Now, tractors have like a lot of tread on the tires. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a bunch of bumps that go all the way around the tire. Try to keep them about the same size and height if you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the side. Like that. Then on the inside of here, I'm going to draw another small circle, and I'm going to put some dots that go all the way around the edge of it. So I'm going to draw a small circle, and then gonna put 4 dots and then 4 more around it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a tractor. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.